Hey everybody, it's Ruthie. I just learned something new on Cricut Design Space. You can take a PNG and switch it to SVG. Now the difference is a PNG you have to do a print and cut image. An SVG it will cut in layers. So let me show you. I just figured this out. I think it's new. I'm going to choose this little dragon. You know, he's got a lot of shadows. I don't have to do shadows. Let's do this guy here. So this is a free dragon. I'm going to right click it and save image. And just hit save. I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to go to Cricut Design Space. Now the first thing you want to do is come up to where your profile name is. Go to settings and make sure that this is set on beta. And this is only available in beta right now, so I'm sure it'll be available in others. And I believe it's only going to be available to Design Space, Cricut Design Space, the ones who pay for the service of it. So we're going to upload image, browse to find our image. There's my dragon that I'm going to do. Click on it, and it's going to bring it up. I'm going to hit continue. Now when you come down here, sometimes when you get these SVGs, you're going to find that it's, if you don't increase this color tolerance a little bit, it's going to leave a bunch of little dots around it. So I always increase it a little bit. And then remove background. Sometimes my internet's a little slower than it should be, so we'll give it a second. There we go. And then I'm going to hit preview single layer. And you can come see that it's a clean cut. There's no little dots or anything around it. And I'm going to hit apply and continue. And it can create up to 9 layers. Oh, there's a cardinal on my bird feeder. So what we're going to do is you can choose if you're going to do a single layer or multiple layer. I'm going to choose the multiple layer, hit continue. Now when you come over here, you can choose as many layers as you want. This is just 2. I'll just choose 4 to start with. Come on. There we go. That's what 4 would look like. You can come over here and choose all the way up to 9 layers. I want to see what the difference is. Come on. There you go. So you see it all completely done. Hit continue. And then you can come up here and hit, I'm going to put this under Dragon SVG. And I'm going to put it under Animals and upload. It's going to save it as an SVG. Guys, this is huge. Because right now I pay for a service for that, not to be able to do that. And now I don't have to. So you hit this, ungroup it, and there's all your layers. Look at this. So we don't need both of these, so I could probably get rid of one of these. Well, there's 3 of those. We don't need all those, but we need at least one of these. So let's keep one. I'm going to delete the others. Come on, get over there and play nice. There's the red layer, the blue layer, the green layer. There's a lighter blue layer. And if you want to change some of these, let's see, select all. Align this back into the center. And if you want to change one of these colors, like you don't want a red dragon, maybe you want a different color dragon, you come up here and choose your color. You don't want the blue on there, you can change the blue. I mean, guys, possibility is absolutely endless. Jump on this thing and play with it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.